Hi, hello, welcome back to Dr. Zakir Math. How are you all? In this video, we are going to solve two interesting problems using secant method, right? This is another method we are going to solve the equations. We will find the root of the given equations up to 4 decimals. We call it as what? Up to an accuracy of what? 10 power minus 4. Let's start step by step together. Right. What is secant method? The secant method is an iterative numerical technique used to approximate the root of a non-linear equations. Okay. Right. So f of x is equal to 0. So it's same like Newton's method, but in the Newton's method, we will take derivative. Remember, x minus f divided by f dash we will use. So here, there is no derivative. It doesn't require derivative of the function. That's the main idea, right? So normally, secant method, what we will do, we use a straight line that passes through 2 points, okay? On the curve, this point where the line cuts the x-axis becomes the next approximation for the root. I think these informations are not necessary for you, but the main important thing is you have to remember this formula. C is equal to A times f of b minus b times f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. But this one, I'm not going to use it in the calculator. In the calculator, I will use it in capital A, capital B and capital C. So what is the C? The C is the new approximation. That means our iterated value. I can say like that. Yes. Let's go to the first question. Once again, I'm telling every video while you're watching without calculator in your hand, do not watch this video because all the works I'm going to create using a calculator. All the formulas I'm going to type it in the calculator only. Use secant method to find the solutions. Use secant method to find the solutions accurate to within 10 power minus 4. What is 10 power minus 4? You have to fix your calculator for what? You have to fix the calculator for what? 4 decimals for the following problem. Number 1, x cube minus 2x square minus 5 equal to 0 in the interval 1 comma 4. Right. So on the calculator, what we are going to do it, that is very, very important. On the calculator, what we are going to do it. Yes. What is the formula I gave you? The formula I gave you is C is equal to A times f of b minus b times f of a, right? Divided by, right, f of b minus f of a. This is the formula given for what? Secant method. So how I am going to write on the calculator? C equals. I'm going to use capital A. Okay, for small a and small b, I'm going to use capital A, right? F of x is equal to what? Your question, x cube minus 2x square minus 5. What's your f of b? Your f of b is equal to b cube minus 2b square minus 5. What's your f of a? Capital A, which is a cube minus 2a square minus 5. That's what I'm going to do it. So a times f of b, that is b cube minus 2b square minus 5, close the bracket, minus capital B times f of a, that is a cube minus 2a square minus 5. Okay, right. And then divided by f of b minus f of a. What is f of b? Which is b cube minus 2b square minus 5. And then minus, use the bracket, very important, minus a cube, right, minus 2a square minus 5. After that, the carry out C value should be there, right? So what we need to do, I'll erase this one, okay, right? So what's your C is semicolon, use it. The carried out value C is your functional value C cube minus 2C square minus 5. How I got this one? Your equation, x cube minus 2x square minus 5, okay? So on the calculator, you have to type this one. Sometimes while you type and when you start the process, the calculator gives math error. If it gives like this, you have to simplify this equation, then enter it in the calculator. What do you need to simplify, teacher? Just multiply, multiply, multiply. Sometimes some terms gets cancelled. For example, you see here, there is a minus 5. Minus of minus what? Plus 5 gets cancelled. So automatically the terms get reduced. But here it's a small one, so that's why I'm writing. So come on, take your calculator, all of you. Yes, let me take the calculator. Right. Alpha C equals alpha A fraction mode. Yes, alpha A bracket alpha B power 3 minus 2B alpha B square minus 5 minus b bracket open alpha a power 3 minus 2a alpha square minus 5 close the bracket over bracket open b cube minus 2b square minus 5 minus bracket open alpha a cube minus 2a square alpha a square minus 5 bracket close alpha colon. I told you where is this colon? Colon is on the top row. You can see that in the integral symbol. There is there is a colon here in the pink color. So colon alpha c cube minus 2c square minus 5 and then press calc. After enter the formula, what you need to do after enter the formula, you have to press calc. What you need to do, you have to press calc. Yes, I'm going to press calc. Okay, now you're going to make a table. What table you're going to make? A, you're going to make B, and you're going to make C. Then you're going to make f of C. This is the table. Please remember this. Right. A value which is already given. This is the given value in the question itself. 1, 4. So 1, 4. Your A is 1 and B is 4. Right. So A is 1, B is 4. Come on, press the button calc. Already I pressed the button calc. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4 and then C value automatically come 1.5455 minus 6.0856. How to go to the second row? In all the previous methods, regular falsy methods and in the iteration method, everything I gave you different ideas. If f of c is positive and you have to use this value, that value. But here it is not like that. Every time take the b value here and c value here, the nearest value. Okay, right. Now we are going to take 4 here and here 1.5455, right? And then here you're going to press calc. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1.5455, press equal. And you will get C 1.9970. Again press equal. I'm getting negative 5.0121. Right, what will be the next one? Next one, you're going to take this value is here and this value is here, irrespective of minus or plus, no problem. If positive is coming or negative is coming, you have to follow this method. So 1.5455 and 1.9970, come on, give it in the calculator. 1.5455, press equal, 1.9970. I forgot to tell you. You have to fix the mode 4 decimal. Already I fixed in the calculator 4 decimals. Keep in your mind. 4 decimals you have to keep it. Then only you have to start the problem. Once you fix the formula, when alpha colon is written, you cannot go to shift mode fix. Keep in your mind. Okay? Right. So that's what I'm telling you. So please keep in your mind. Fix the mode and then start. Right. So when I give this in the calculator, I'm getting press equal 4.1047. And again press equal, I am getting 30.4608. Calculator letters are very small. Okay, right. Now I have to take this value 1.9970. Take this value 4.1047. If I take this value 2.2948, again press equal, minus 3.4476. Irrespective of plus minus. Okay, right. The next I'm going to take this one 4.1047 and take this one 2.2948 and press equal, press your calculator 4.1047 and the B value is 2.2948, press equal and I will get next one is 2.4788 and C value is negative 2.0579. So again I'm telling you this is your roots. So you have to concentrate on this column, very very important. So this column please concentrate, very important. If there are two values are same, then you are going to stop it. Right. So now I'm taking this value 2.2948. I take this value 2.4788. Right. Put it in the calculator. A value is 2.2948. Press equal, 2.4788, press equal, and what is your C value? C value is 2.7513. Again press equal, you are getting 0.6874. It's a positive value. Positive or negative, no problem. Again the same idea. Take this value 2.4788 and take this value 2.7513. A value is 2.4788. Press equal. 2.7513. Press equal. I'm getting 2.6831. Again press equal. Negative 0.0824. You can ask one thing, because teacher, we are not at all using this f of c. Why should I write every time unnecessarily in this one? Without writing this f of c functional value, you cannot enter the formula in the calculator. Keep it in your mind. Right. So again I take this value 2.7513. Take this value 2.6831. Right. 2.7513, 2.6813, 2.7513 equal 2.6831 equal 2.6906. Okay. And then wait a minute, 2.7513, again I'll give 2.7513, 2.6831. Okay. And I'm getting 2.6904. Sorry, for me 6 and 4 look same. Right. And then again press equal. Negative 0.0027. Okay. Again you take this value and this value. Okay. Right. So 2.6831 and 2.6904 and 2.6906, and I'm getting here 0.000. Once automatically your functional value is 0, definitely it will converge quickly. Keep in your mind the next will be your same answer. So next is 2.6904. Take this one, 2.6906. Wow. 2.6904, 2.6906, press equal. 2.6906. Wow, fantastic. So 0.0000. So these two values are same. So we can stop it. So therefore the root is equal to how much? 2.6906. How can I check in this calculator, teacher? So simple. What is your equation? Your equation is x cube minus 2x square minus 5. Go to mode all of you, and then press 5 and then press number 4. A, B, C will come, right? What is your A? 1. What is your B? Minus 2. What is your C? 0. What's your D? Minus 5. D will not be there, but you should give it. If you press equal, you will get 3 answers. How many answers you will get? You will get 3 answers. So let me do all these things in the calculator. Just a moment. Yes, I got x1 equals 2.6906 and I got x2 equals negative 0.3453 plus I root 1 point something 31, and x3 is equal to the same answer, right, with negative sign. Okay, so this is your positive root and the real root. So exactly which is same as this. Understand? So simple. Okay. Let's go to the next question quickly. Right. Use secant method, right, to find the solutions. Use secant method to find the solutions accurate to 10 to the power of 4, which means 4 decimals you are going to fix in the calculator. Right. For the function x minus cosine x in the interval 0, pi by 2. Again, I'm telling this question is trigonometric questions, right? This is a trigonometric questions. Don't forget to use the calculator in the radian mode. That is very, very important. When there is a function related to sine, cosine, tan, cosecant, secant, cot and e power functions, try to use radian mode. Then only you will get correct answer. Understand? Right. So let's start this question. The question is x minus cosine x in the interval 0, pi by 2, right? Just get the value of pi by 2 in decimal, which is 1.5708. So this is your A and this is your B value. And this is your f of x, right? Okay. Now we need to create the formula. What is the formula? The formula is C is equal to A times f of B minus B times f of A divided by f of B minus f of A. Right, all of you? Yes. Now, usually, I told you in the last problem, on the calculator, you're going to type C is equal to capital A. Your f of B is what? This is your f of x, right? So, what's your f of B? Put x is equal to B. So, this will be B minus cosine B, right? Minus B bracket open f of A. A minus cosine A, right? and then divided by f of b. What is f of b? Which is b minus cosine b, and then minus, right, f of a. Use the bracket please. F of a. Actually this bracket is not available in the calculator. You're going to use this bracket. Keep in your mind, right? So let me use the same bracket also, right? Okay, minus f of a. What's your f of a? Your f of a is a minus cosine a, right? And then you're going to put semicolon. Then you're going to use c minus cosine c. But when you use this, come on, take your calculator, all of you, type this formula. C minus a minus b minus cosine b, okay, minus alpha b minus a minus cosine a close. After the angle, you are going to use two brackets. Keep in your mind, there is a bracket coming here, again bracket. 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 Okay, minus divided by b minus cosine b minus alpha a minus cosine a, bracket close, and then start. So usually what is your start value? You just give 0, calculate, press calc. So press calc. If you press calc 0, oh, math error is coming. Why, teacher, math error is coming? Reason is sometimes the calculator cannot handle big datas. So that is why sometimes for trigonometric functions especially and exponential functions, algebraic functions no problem, x cube minus x square it will handle. But for these type of functions, try to simplify and enter in the calculator. What type of simplification, teacher? Just I will give you one small step. See here, c is equal to multiply ab minus, okay, and a cosine b, right? And then multiply minus ba, and then minus of minus is what? Plus, right? Minus plus b cosine a, right? Okay, divided by, yes, here denominator nothing will be cancelled. So b minus cosine b minus a, bracket is there, plus cosine a. Okay, so what happens now? AB gets cancelled. So C is equal to now minus A cosine B, right? And then plus B cosine A, right? Divided by B minus cosine B minus A plus cosine A semicolon. Okay, this is the formula. Now, this is C value. I just simplified a small step, not too many steps, okay? Right. So now on calculator, on the calculator means you are going to type this formula. So what formula you're going to type? C is equal to minus A cosine B plus B cosine A divided by B minus cosine B minus A plus cosine A semicolon, and then C value, function value, C minus cosine C. What is that? Why? Because f of x equals what? X minus cosine x. So this is on the calculator. Already I have this on the calculator. So let me go and start. So type this all of you in the calculator quickly. Yes, let me wait. Okay, I have in the calculator already. You also have in the calculator. Just you need to alter. I already altered. Okay, right. Now I am going to start the table, right? Yes. So when I start the table, right, what is the table? We're going to start, yes, we are going to start, let me change the color. We're going to state A and then B and then C, then f of C, right? So what's your A value? 0. What's your B value? Pi by 2. Pi by 2, I told you, calculator, you just converted 1.5702. This is your pi by 2, right? Come on, calculate. 0, A is equal to, B is equal to 1.5708, press equal, I will get 0.6110, again press equal, I'm going to get negative 0.2080, right? Now take this value here and take this value here, so it should be 1.5708 and 0.6110, so this is the place you are going to concentrate, okay? So I will change the color, red color, so that it will be more easy for you. What happened? Right. So here, this is the column you are going to concentrate much. So, and then start, okay, press calc again. 1.5708, press equal, 0.6110, press equal. I'm getting 0.7233. Again, press equal, negative 0.0264. Okay, right. Then again, next one, take this value and take this value. So 0.6110 and 0.7233. Okay, right. Press equal press calc, sorry. 0.6110, press equal 0.7233, press equal, and you're going to get it 0.7396. Again, press equal. I'm getting 0.0008. Okay, now take this value 0.7233, take this value 0.7396, and then put it in the calculator. Calc 0.7233, press equal, 0.7396, press equal. I'm going to get it here 0.7391, right? And then I'm going to get it 0.000. It means it's going to converge quickly. Next step, 0.7396. Take this value 0.7391. Okay, right. Now you press calc, everybody. 0.7396, press equal. 0.7391, press equal. Oh, 0.7391. Again, press equal. I'm getting 0.000. Right. So the two values are going to be what? Identical, or you can say same, whatever it is. Therefore, the root is what? The root is, sorry. Therefore, the root is 0.7391. Okay, this is your answer. How do I check this answer in the calculator, teacher? Okay, what is the equation? The equation is, right, x minus cos x is equal to, how to check your answer is correct or not? X minus cosine x is equal to what? 0. So please take your calculator. Come on, type this equation. Alpha x minus cosine alpha x equal to 0. Then please press shift calc and then equal. Shift calc equal. If you press this, you will get x is equal to 0.739085 blah blah blah. It's going on. And then del minus r, you should get 0. Keep in your mind. So look here, 0.8 more than 1. So you'll get 1, right? So this will be same as this. So your answer is what? Correct. Okay. So this finishes your secant method. Right. Now I wanted to ask you one question. Now this question is only for those who really wanted to know the subject. Okay. What is that? Teacher, you said while starting the numerical methods, secant method, right? You said this is actually, right? What did I say? You have to be measuring on the straight line because you're going to take 2 points on the line, I said, right? Can I explain once again? I'll go to the first one. See here. What did I say? The secant method uses a straight line. See here. Uses a straight line that passes through 2 points on the curve. Right? So that means if it is a curve, so it takes 2 points here and here, and you will just draw a line and the iteration value take place on this line. Okay. But here it's a cosine curve, right? Cosine curve normally keeps going like this, right? Yes. So it keeps going like this. So what are the reasons you're going to tell it? So these are the reasons I typed and wrote it here. What is the reason? The reason is, the main thing is, the function y is equal to x minus cosine x is not a straight line. Keep in your mind. Okay, teacher. So in the secant method, we don't work with the whole curve. We never work with the whole curve. Okay. Usually in regular falsi and all, we take the whole curve. But here we never take the whole curve. We only use a straight line between two chosen points on the curve. Right? Okay. What is that? The straight line, which is a secant line, we call it as a secant line, is just an approximation of the curve in that small region. The place where the secant line cuts the x-axis becomes our new guess for the next route. Okay, where it cuts. Okay, right. So we repeat the process with the new points again and again until we get close to the actual route. So in this way, we are going to use secant method for curves also. That means trigonometric functions also we can use. What's the reason? We are going to use the approximation of the curve in that particular small region. We are not going to approximate for the entire curve. Clear, all of you? Clear or not? Yes. Now, Alhamdulillah, we finished secant method, right? So we have solved both the questions using secant method successfully. I hope this video makes the method very clear for you. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, my dear, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, inshallah. Take care. Bye bye.